Okay, this is an unboxing of I ordered two new BB guns like Sunday night at 11:45, and today Tuesday, and it came here like at 5 something when I was asleep. Only reason I'm sleeping is because I got braces. Let's open this up. Yo, get away from the box. I'm gonna have 2 more boxes later on this week. Okay. No, I have 3 more boxes. Let me just get this out the way. Wow, I just cut a piece of paper that was in this box. Okay, sorry for that. Taking like a minute to open this up. Oh no, never mind. Okay. See? Come with 2 guns. Brand new. Let's open that up. Wait. Come with a nice little case. I'm taking this gun wallpaper off of it because I don't like that. My cat just ran because she don't like that sound. Custom design spring gun. Why is almost every gun this name at the beginning? Alright. Nice. Oh, wow. Okay, we got magazine number 1. It's loaded. No, it's not. Okay. Magazine number 2. BBs that you should never use because they may mess up your gun. Handgun, silver. And second handgun, black. Okay. And I don't use those BBs. I'm gonna use my polished black ones. So anyway, comment, rate, subscribe, and I have more videos for you guys later. And I'll be unboxing later on this week or next week. Liquid Ass. If you heard of that, it's a prank thing. I'll be unboxing a Shock MP3 player and a Shock digital camera. So stay tuned for that. And remember, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll have more videos soon.